Biological research is about to be revolutionized. But the next set of revolution will not be brought in by any human researcher. It will be brought in by a human combined with the power of computers and artificial intelligence. And in many of my videos, I've spoken about that. But in today's video, I'm going to show you details of how exactly that's going to happen. After listening to today's video, you will realize that in future, today's biological research will seem like tasting a lollipop. For example, today, if I tell you to find the structure of DNA with the advent of modern technologies, it's so simple. But when the day it was discovered, it was a great thing. Similarly, 20 years or 10 years from today, the advancement in computer science will be such that it will be so easy to do anything in biology. And all this will happen because biologists will learn coding, biologists will know how to use computers and coding to design experiments by computers, which will be done in virtual environment, which will give you simulation of what can happen in the real environment. And it's already happening in various labs, and it will be a general practice everywhere in the world. So let me throw some light on which all fields are about revolutionized by coding in biology. That means biologists who will know coding. And let's start with the first one, and that is genome editing. Now, genome editing, as we know it, it's a place where we use CRISPR and various tools to edit genome, right? But what if I tell you that in future, as the technology advances, the sequence editing will all be optimized inside a computer. We will be able to design the algorithm inside a computer and design it inside the computer, simulate it inside the computer, and then do it in the real world. So genome editing is something where we'll be able to design the algorithm and optimize the gene cuts using computers. So that's one thing which is going to be revolutionized. So coding algorithms will be used to design and optimize the sequences of editing tools. So that's something which we have to note on. Now let's move on to the next part, which will be revolutionized by coding in biology, and that is drug discovery for sure. Now, as we know it, drug discovery has started. Even vaccine designing has already started in virtual environment using bioinformatic tools and coding. Now, computational methods will play a huge role, a big role in this particular field. So let's say you screen drugs and molecules in a virtual environment, simulate their pharmacological action, and then you repeat it in the wet lab. So that's where it will be. And when with the advent of artificial intelligence and coding, you will be able to do it faster in a virtual environment and then simulate it, then repeat it in the real environment. So that's where the second part is. Drug discovery is about to be revolutionized by coding in biology. The next set of revolution will come in predictive and personalized medicine. Now, with the advent of technology, we have large amount of data, clinical, genetic and epigenetic data. Using that, we will be able to design machine learning algorithms using coding and artificial intelligence, and that will give us better insights into which particular drug will suit you. So we'll be able to predict a drug which will be more effective on you and less effective on others. And that way, the predictive medicine and personalized medicine is going to be revolutionized. So that is where you're going to see applications of coding and applications of artificial intelligence and applications of bioinformatics and all these data machine learning algorithms, which will revolutionize the predictive and personalized medicine for sure. The next one, which will be revolutionized by coding and by machine learning algorithms and artificial intelligence, is synthetic learning. Now, what will happen is scientists will be able to simulate, optimize, and create newer biological systems in virtual environment using virtual tools such as machine learning, such as artificial intelligence, such as coding and bioinformatics. So synthetic biology is one such field wherein you will see a lot of applications of these tools, these coding techniques, and that is where now many students come to me and ask which particular language they should learn first, which particular where should they get started. So my advice to all of you is start with Python, and Biotechnica is starting an internship on coding for biologist internship. If you are interested and if you want to make a future in this virtual arena where everything is going in and sitting with computers, why not make your future where biology merges with computers, whether it is synthetic biology, personalized medicine, predictive medicine, whether it is genome editing, or whether it is drug discovery. Everywhere you will see bioinformatics, you will see coding coming into picture. So we have two internships starting in the next coming weeks. One is bioinformatics global tools and techniques internship, another is coding for biologists internship. Link is given in the description. You can go ahead and enroll yourself and take the maximum advantage. Be ready for the future. Now, one of the questions students ask is, should I go and do a complete degree on machine learning or artificial intelligence? Now, that is where when you do that, you will spend a lot of time and nobody is going to see the degree, everybody is going to see the skill. And all this skill set can be learned when you do an internship, when you do a certification on these particular courses. So why to waste so much time on a degree? Instead, you can go ahead and enhance your skill, upgrade your skill, upskill, reskill, and cross skill using all these cross domain functions, interdisciplinary sciences, and that's how you can grow in your career. Today, in this world, whether you are quantum biologist or artificial intelligence scientist, or you are regular biologist, biochemist, microbiologist, coding is going to get into your bloodstream very, very soon. You are going to see computers intervene right from focusing the microscopes to optimizing drug molecules. Everything is going to be done by computers and artificial intelligence. Today, artificial intelligence is becoming self-aware, and it is able to even do codes. So in future, you will have immense power with the help of these tools and techniques. So it is very important to learn all these tools and techniques, and there is only one place where you can learn all this, and that is Biotechnica. So link is in the description. Go ahead, check it out, and learn from the best of the bioinformaticians and coders available in India for biology students, and that is only there at Biotechnica. See you soon in the next one in the internship. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.